All right, so today I want to talk about the greenhouse effect. All right, so here we have the beautiful Earth below and our atmosphere out here. So our atmosphere has these things called greenhouse gases in them. And that's actually a good thing for the most part, because what happens is, we got the sun out here, and the sun shines energy down on the Earth. But the Earth doesn't absorb all that energy. It actually bounces a lot of it back out towards space. And as it comes out, it can continue out into space, or it can get held in here by these greenhouse gases. They're like a big blanket that helps to insulate the Earth. Right? There are a bunch of different gases that work as greenhouse gases. There are really 4 that are naturally occurring, and you're going to read about those this week. And those 4 gases that are natural, they get stored in the atmosphere in these things called sinks. We talked about that when we talked about carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. And naturally, they kind of go in and out of the atmosphere and the different storage places in the biosphere that are the sinks. And naturally, they come up into the atmosphere and create a blanket. But the greenhouse effect, the thing that's causing climate change, is that not only do we have natural sources, we're also putting human sources of these gases into the atmosphere. And you notice, as humans, we're taking those gases and we are putting them up into the atmosphere, but they're not getting returned out of the atmosphere. So we're taking them, we're pushing extra up into the atmosphere. And there aren't just 4 anymore. Humans have added a 5th one that's not a naturally occurring greenhouse gas that we've pumped up into the atmosphere. And so now we've taken this blanket that normally keeps the Earth nice and comfortable for all of us, and we've made that blanket a big, heavy winter blanket that is storing even more of this heat. So as the sun's energy is coming in, even less of it's going back out into space. So it's storing all this energy in here and raising the temperature of the globe, which we'll talk about more next week.